What is up, everyone? Welcome to the second to the last video of hauls for the year. This is November haul, everything that we found for the month of November. So there's only one more video, which is December's, and the year is closed. So here it is. I think I found one of the best hauls, in my opinion, something that I've always things that I've always liked. So let's get into it real quick. So we're gonna start off with the punch. Here is a black Mustang from the Hot Wheels racing team. This is a 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. Check that out. This is a real badass Mustang. There it is, with all the tampos and everything. So that's that Mustang. Let's put it over here in the bottom. Let's go with the next one. Here is another Hot Wheels racing team of Corvette Grand Sport. Now this is a beautiful casting, beautiful color. Trying to get as many of these Corvettes as I can. Not the racing team, just in general, Corvettes. Another Mustang, like last month. 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Snake, Super Snake. Now these two are the same, just in black and in blue. So that's that. Now the next one is, we got two of these. This is the Cool Combi in white with that brand Urban Outlaw. So in all white with blue and red stripes, and then the 40. Is it 40? I'm not too sure, but it looks pretty cool. So got two of those. Now let's go with the next one, which is this beautiful custom 56 Ford truck. Very cool truck. I found one, and my dad found the second one. So there are two of those. And then we have a custom Ford Maverick in gray. Now this gray color is a beauty. There's not much to say than just the color, because it's kind of the same tampos and everything from the other ones. I think it's a red one, and I'm not too sure if there's a white one. Now next one, and now this is another one that I was super excited to find, a Mustang with the Golf logos on it. So it's white with orange, and a custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Beauty. I'm so happy I found that piece. And then let's go with another Mustang, 65 Mustang 2+2 fastback in yellow. And what else can I say other than a beauty with gray lines and black racing stripes. 68 Copo Camaro in white with black and blue and yellow stripes. Very cool. Next one, we got a classic 55 Nomad in red. This was the first one I found in red. Never seen them in red. There you go. Very cool. Next one, let's go do this quick. Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. Now this one was pretty cool with the all white and the racing stripes, red and white and green. I think it's the Italian colors. There you go. Next one, 67 Shelby GT 500 in red, and red with yellow flames. Very cool. Next one is a 67 Chevy C10. Now this is the third one I get. I didn't want to pick them all up, but I wanted to get a few. There was a ton of them in the dollar store. Then we got another 67 Shelby GT500, same one as before, red. Oh, I didn't notice that on the bottom part of the rear wheel. There's the exhaust, the muffler. Cool. And then let's go over here. We got we gotta leave that one to the last. That one's a special one. Oh my god. 87 Dodge D100. Very cool. I've always seen it. I had to pick it up. I at least have to have one. I love that gray and that yellow and green and lime green color with black stripes. And then the next one is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler in gray. Very cool color scheme. Minimal, cool. Next one is a Volkswagen Golf GTI in yellow with the Momo logo. So that's that theme. And then the next Volkswagen is a Volkswagen Caddy in green. We've seen this one before in previous months. Then the next two are the Bone Shaker in red with the skull on the side. Number 3. Now this one's the best one I've seen so far of my liking. There are a few Bone Shaker collectors that collect a lot of these and do customs, and wow, that one's a pretty cool casting in my opinion. Next one, Fairlady 2000, another one in red and white. Here we got a Porsche 917 LH. This is a beauty right here. It's like a real cool racing car, all blue with white. We got Porsche in the back, and then you got number 11 on it, the side door. Next one, this is an Aston Martin Vulcan. A very cool car. It's an exotic from that exotic line. It's green, like metallic green, and it is a very cool casting. Now let's go with the Matchbox. So here we got another 55 Cadillac Fleetwood in pink, like previously. So we only have 2 of those. Let's go with the next one, and then here's another 33 Plymouth sedan, the cop car. Very cool casting. Got like 2 of these now. And then let's go with the next one. This is a treasure hunt for Hot Wheels, a custom Ford Bronco, and this is the regular treasure hunt. Very cool Bronco, awesome. And then I'm gonna leave this one to the end because you guys can probably see already what it is. Oh my god, I can't believe I found one. Okay, so let's go with the Matchbox. Now these are I got the whole set of, I don't know what the name of the set is, but it's candies. It's basically like a bunch of candy bars. And so let's just go with the first one here. This is a 47 Chevy AD 3100, and it is branded with the Butterfinger. So it's a Butterfinger themed car, a truck. Very cool. It's all brown and just has the Butterfinger logo on the side of the door. There's that one. So these are like 127, I think, and I found them at HEB. And here is a International armored car in all red with gold wheels and semi-gold bottom, and it says 100 grand, which is another candy bar. There you go. So, and then let's go with this one. This is a Austin minivan, and it's Baby Ruth themed, all gray with blue, and the logo Baby Ruth on the side. There's the card. Very, very cool. So Matchbox outdid themselves with this set, in my opinion. I really liked it. Here is the Nerds vehicle, which is a Chow Mobile. Look at that. This one's really, really fun casting, fun model. Although the colors on it, pretty cool. This is from Nerds. There's the card. And here is a Laffy Taffy, and it's a Chevy. It's a 2014 MB Chevy Silverado 1500 in pink. This is a really beautiful pink color with the Laffy Taffy on the door, with all that swirls, dark pink swirls and white stripes. Very cool. So I like this casting a lot. Hopefully I can find another truck like this. And last of this set, which is the main one that I really liked, it's the Sweet Tarts car, and it's the Volkswagen delivery van. Look at that. Now this one is my favorite right now. It has Sweet Tarts on the windows, and then it's a blue top and pink bottom. Cool. Now let's go with the last one. Here is the special one. What is that right there? What is that? So this is officially my second super that I found in the wild, and it's Mazda Repo. I thought it was Repo, but it's Repo. What? I still can't believe that I found this one. And it wasn't one of those crappy castings. No, it was the Mazda one. This is a real beauty. Check that out. There are the wheels, the spectral flame, paint, and the extra detail on the hood and the roof. Nice. So really happy that I found this. Now I need to put it in a case and stash it in my treasure hunt box, in my chase box. So yeah, so there it is for the month of November. So there's only one more video left for the hauls, everything for the ones that I found, the videos that I found, things that I find. So there's one more for December, and that's it for the year. And then we start it all over again next year, because this hobby is continuing. We're going to continue this hobby. So I hope everyone is having a great day like I am. Also, if you haven't so far done it, can you please subscribe and like the video? That'll help me do more of these, encouragement, because it really encourages us to do this, to share our cars. So thank you everyone for tuning in, and have a good one. Peace.